anyway, in case I forget. Very lyrical, okay? Your staccato could be more staccato still.
Okay.
So more stopping. So, yeah, like that. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so I think it seems weird for beginners to actually stop the baton that much. But remember, they're reacting, after your beat. So they're going to feel in the music, even though you're stopped, okay? And by stopping, what we do is we encourage the ensemble to play short and to play with that sort of energy. So they're reacting off of your beat. So it might seem weird to just stop, and we'll talk about this in the next unit too. But remember, the energy leaves you and goes to them. So, and it's going to be a different kind of energy from this, or even from this to 1, 2, 1. So when you do this, then they're reacting on the next beat. When you do this, then they're reacting on the following downbeat kind of thing. So see if that helps you think about staccato differently.
Okay.
But try it again. And look up.
Okay. Okay.
This music isn't even that hard. Okay, it's just hard to remember what to do next. So, but see if you can just internalize that and look up as much as you can, especially in mystery level.
Okay.
Right? Try it again from the beginning. How differently they played when you looked up, and it looked like, and you were really leading them. Yeah, did everyone notice that? Everyone played much better and with more intention when she was looking up. And your conducting changed for the better too. So good work.